Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating one solution that enforces a single language flow. Shared DTO project, server as ASB. NetCore Web API, and Blazor Web Assembly Client. Once created, add project references so the client and server share models and validation attributes, which eliminates mapping drift. Make sure to pick the same NET runtime for all projects. Then scaffold a simple controller on the server and a page on the client that will call it. This immediate setup gets you into development without divergent contracts. Next, define the how. Put your DTOs and input validation in shared so both sides use the exact same types. On the server, implement controllers that return action result T, configure JSON serializer options consistently, and enable Swagger for quick testing. Once done, configure CORS policy that allows the Blazor client origin, register services, and HTTP client factory, and prefer dependency injection for repositories. On the client, consume the shared DTOs and use the injected HTTP client to call the API. Finally, consume the API from Blazor with the injected HTTP client, deserialize responses into the shared DTOs, and surface validation errors to users. Once the server and client run together, prefer a hosted Blazor deployment or a reverse proxy to avoid mismatched origins and simplify routing. For deployment, containerize both projects or publish the server to host static client files. Troubleshooting tip: if calls fail, first check CORS policy and the client base address. Those two issues cause most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.